Hello everyone, welcome to Sammy's Studio. I'm Sammy and today I will be opening up these blind boxes and they are world's smallest and there are different toys you can collect. Sketch. I'm really excited to open these up though because they are so small and tiny. So here we go. And they are for the blind bag inside and I'm just super excited. Maybe, if I can open them. Oh. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay, we're gonna bring in the scissors because I can't open them at all. I want it to be like a surprise. What did you guess? Oh my gosh. This is actually one of the mystery items. I don't know if anyone remembers Silly Putty, but Silly Putty it's basically just putty. And they were in little eggs. You could buy them at the store, and I'm trying to open it. Here we go. I was able to open the little egg, and here it is. And it's actually squishy. And it actually smells like Silly Putty smelled when you got the big eggs. I cannot believe that right off the bat, we got a mystery item. And there's two of them in here. That is so cool. Already off to an amazing start. I'm still hoping for the Etch-a-Sketch though because I love those things and to have a mini one would be so cool. So here we go. I'm going to... Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright. So we actually got another repeat. We have the mini Silly Putties. That's okay. I believe I will give these to a friend or something or maybe my sister. But we shall see. Come on. All right. No more repeats, please. Please, no more repeats. Because I was super excited about these. And, oh, I can definitely feel we got something different. I can feel what we got. Something different, but I have no idea. Oh my gosh, we got one of the Hot Wheel cars. Those are so cute. I used to play with Hot Wheels a lot when I was little. And actually, the car does come out. You just have to pop open this thing and kind of... I'll figure out how to get it out later, but you can get the car out. But that is so cute. All right, last item. Come on, please. I'm hoping for an Etch-a-Sketch. Please, can I please just have it? Oh no. Nope. It's not an Etch-a-Sketch, and it's not anything new either. It's another Hot Wheels car. It is a different pattern though, but that's okay. So we got... This was a very interesting opening, I will tell you that much, because we got two of the same thing, which were the Silly Putties, and two of the same thing, which were the Hot Wheel cars. That's okay. Hopefully I will be getting more of these, so I can hopefully get the Etch-a-Sketch. But I did love these. These are super cute because of how mini they are, but I would like to get more of them instead of just having... I mean, this is cool because it is a mystery item, but still, you know, I would like something different. But that's perfectly fine. I am happy with what we got. I'm loving these Hot Wheels because I used to play with Hot Wheels all the time when I was a little kid, and I used to have like that mat with the roads on them. But I am very happy with what we got. And I will hopefully be getting more of these in the future. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Please make sure to subscribe. Bye.